Hey guys, I am back with a new makeup video. For this video, I tried to recreate Andrea Manzano's makeup look. Image of her will be right here. I got this idea from her music video, Kahit, Ayaw na. I was watching the music video yesterday for the first time and I remember thinking how beautiful and how simple she just looked. I want to try and recreate her look, and I'm sorry guys if it's not exactly like Andrea Manzano's makeup. It's because some of the eyeshadow shades she used, unfortunately I don't have, but I did try my best. I hope you guys like it. If you want to know how I achieved this look, then keep on watching. So first you want to be using a primer just so you'll prep your face. Once that's done, you want to use a foundation that just matches your skin color, and you just want to use 2 pumps. And then using a beauty blender, you want to dab it. Iisipin na lang panaginip lahat ng ito. Oh, bakit ba kailangan pang umalis? Pakiusap lang na wag ka nang lumihis. It might look really white right now, but in person it actually looks grand. So next, I'll be highlighting my under eye and my nose using a concealer. I'm using the True Match concealer as well. Pero pinag-isipan mo ba? Lapit ng lapit, ako'y lalapit. I just put a little bit because if you look at the picture, she doesn't have her under eye highlighted too much. So literally I just put like 2 dots or 3 dots, whatever. So next, it's contouring. On the picture, she doesn't look very contoured, but for the sake of just contouring, I'll just do it anyway. If you watched my previous video, you'll see I'm doing the exact same thing, because basically I do the same thing over and over again on my face. Like, I don't change my routine, but I probably should. Next, I'll be just setting everything using a powder. So next, I'll be contouring using a powder. I like to contour first before doing my eyebrows because I saw this video where it says that if you do your eyebrows first before contouring, you'll kind of make your eyebrows look darker than it should look. Like it looks really unnatural. So I'm gonna do that first. Now for the nose, I won't be using a cream contour this time because I want to make it look as natural as possible. So I'll be using this condensed brush on the powder like this. Start from the bottom because the bottom one is my most problematic part. So I like to start from there. What I like to do is I want to put like baking powder here so that it just stands out a little bit more. Now, next we'll be doing our eyebrows while we're letting this set a bit. I'll be using my all-time favorite Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade, and this shade is in chocolate. So on the picture, she doesn't do anything dramatic on her eyebrows. It literally just looks very natural. So I'm gonna try achieve that by applying light strokes. So instead of going straight like that, you kind of just want to go. Bless this beat. Okay, think that should be fine. Next, I'm gonna try to clean up any mess I've made there, but first I should remove powder here so it doesn't look too cakey later on. So as I was saying, I'm gonna try clean up any mess I've made here. I see a lot of girls using concealer to highlight under here and kind of like put it on top as well. But I don't like doing that because sometimes it looks too cakey, or maybe it looks too light sometimes. So what I like to use is a mixture of my foundation, the foundation I used earlier on for my face, and also just a tiny bit of the concealer. So I just put that foundation and concealer. So when you're trying to clean the top, don't go back and put more product. Just use what's left on the brush. Okay, so now that it's done, I'm just gonna brush them so that it will look more natural. Next, you want to be using your brow gel. It should be the same color as the eyebrow shade that you put, or it could be transparent. Okay, next on the eyes. I like using my concealer as a primer because it does work. Mahal na mahal kita, hindi ko lang talaga sinasadya. Lakas na kasi ng epekto ng kagandahan mo, di ko talaga. So in the picture, she uses a lot of brown colors and also glittery colors. So just for transition, I'll be using a lightish brown, and I'm just gonna use a big blending brush and just putting it on top of my lid. Not on top of my lid, I mean on my crest, or whatever you call this part. With a fluffier blending brush, I'll be using that just to blend everything. So once the blending is done, I'll be using a smaller brush and using a copper-like brown, and you want to apply it all over your lids. And since I have like a very small lid, I'll be using a very small brush as well.
Nawawala ang mga pagod ko, palaging hinahanap ang tamis ng iyong ngiti sa tuwing ako ay binabalot na ng takot ko. Ikaw ang dahilan kung bakit napatuloy na ginagawa ang mga bagay kahit na magkamali. Dahil sa'yo lamang to maniniwala kahit na madami dyan na kung ano-ano ang pinagsasabi.
So once that's done, you wanna take an even smaller brush and you wanna apply matte darker brown color, and I'm gonna apply it on the outer side. Since we put the glitter part on the outer corner of our eyes, the matte brown color we're applying now will seem like it's shimmery. Now getting a fluffy clean brush, you want to just blend everything in, because I think we didn't blend this part properly as well as we should have. Next, you want to use same copper shade right here under your eye. Just like so, and just to deepen that brown a bit, you wanna use a matte. So the next thing you want to do is deepen the browns. Your eyes will pop out just a little bit more. So I'm using a brown eyeliner. Make sure it's waterproof because you're gonna want to put it on your waterline. So So there's a lot of glitter fallouts there. I didn't expect that to happen. So I am gonna go back to my concealer, and instead of dabbing the concealer on my face, I'll just get a brush and okay, she didn't put any eyeliner on the top, but I want to use a waterproof black eyeliner and put it on my waterline. So when you're done that, curling my lashes and applying mascara.
One look at you and I knew this as good as it gets, yeah. I look in your eyes and I'm watching the sunset. I need this forever, baby, I need this forever.
Okay, and for the final part, you're gonna be putting lipstick. So I don't have the exact shade she's using, but I have one pretty close to it. I'll use a lip brush to apply this lipstick. It's kind of wine red.
Like a Filipina girl. There ain't nothing in this world, nothing in this world like a Filipina girl. There ain't no.
Okay, so I made a few mistakes. So using a angle brush, you wanna fix the mistakes you've made.
There ain't nothing in this world like a Filipina.
Okay, I said that was the last part, but that wasn't actually the last part. I'm sorry. So next thing you'll be using is a pinkish blush using a relatively big brush.
The sun in the moon. I see the future and baby it's you. I see the future and baby it's you and I.
Lose myself around you, girl. You got some kind of way. That's just something about you, girl, that makes me wanna stay
Here I could spend.
So that's the final look. I actually didn't practice beforehand. I just went in blind and just took a picture that looks natural. It's not what I expected, but I did try my best. I think it's still good for everyday makeup look. It's not too much. So I hope you guys like this attempt on Andrea Manzano's makeup, and I hope to see you guys soon.
There ain't nothing in this world.
Excuse me. Hey guys, I'm back with a new makeup YouTube tutorial. Oh my gosh, did I just say makeup YouTube tutorial? I decided to do a makeup YouTube. Oh my gosh, why do I keep saying makeup YouTube? White right now, but that's my editor.
You have to redo that again because I'm in the shot.
It might look really white. Putang ina pa! So next I'll be moving. And also, yeah, I don't know what else to say, so.
And she find you better keep her, 'cause there ain't nothing like a Filipina girl.